So for the straw walker machine, one of the few settings we can do on the left-hand side here is for the straw curtain. What we can have is right at the front here, when we pull it all the way forward, is for maize. So this stops the maize cobs from going all the way down the straw walker. Then we can pull it further back to the middle where we have for short straw grain. So we pull the chain back, in the middle, short straw. Then we can pull it even further back by pulling the chain further back, and here we can have it for long straw grain. This just allows the long straw to actually exit the concave and go onto the straw walkers.